Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today I'll be taking you one-on-one on how to use AnyDesk. AnyDesk is a remote desktop software that one is able to connect to computers remotely. One application of AnyDesk is that you can work from home, where you can access your office computer just at home, and I'll be demonstrating. So the first thing that we'll do, we'll first download it. Once we download it, then we will install in the we will be installing it in the computer. I can see it's installing. Once we download it, we'll be able to say open it. Once we open it, we'll be able to have to come here and see that it has a code. Now using this, I can be able to, once I enter, it tells me our desk can be accessed by this address. So in case I want to access my office from home, this is I'm at workplace, I will go with this code at home. And once I download and install my AnyDesk, I'll be able to put this code and be able to access my computer. So you can see, please enter the address of the remote desktop that you'd like to access. So I will talk with my friend who is in office. Who is at home. I want to access my laptop which is at home while in office. So I'll just come here and tell them to send me the code. Once I send the code, we'll be able to connect, and I'll be able to use the AnyDesk application, where you're able to get to access it from any point. Thank you. So I asked my friend out, and they gave me access code to the desktop. I'll say connect. Then it tells me Windows Defender has blocked this feature. So once it tells you this, you will first come here and ensure you will first have to switch off Windows Defender. Once you switch it off for this app to work, because I'm getting issues anytime I just put it, Windows Defender is knocking it down. To switch Windows Defender, you'll come here, turn on and off Windows Defender. You'll be able to turn it off. Then we'll say okay. Once we say okay, we'll also come here and switch off another antivirus, any antivirus that is existing. So it tells me no current updates. So what we'll come here, and that is in case your Windows Defender is knocking it out. Ensure you first switch you first close it. So I can see, please wait for the remote side to accept your session. So it means it's secure. So the other party has to accept for me to now get access to the screen, and I'll be able to access the screen from where I am. So we'll see. I've just called them. I'm waiting for them to accept. Yeah. So as you can see, we can say this is a Word document. The other party is typing something. So what we will do to demonstrate, I want to install Grammarly in the computer. So what I'll do, I'll just come and be able to get into Grammarly Word, and I'll be able to install it. It tell me yeah. Let me try to install an application in the machine, and it will be very confident. It says this is the way to log in to Grammarly. Let me install for them Grammarly. Guy, Hmm? So I'm trying to demonstrate how I'll be able to log in into the in somebody's. I'm able to install a software using these AnyDesk. So I'll be able to input my existing password. What happens? I've just got into the Grammarly. I've installed Word. It tells me this is the user. I've been there for the last 26 minutes. Request elevation. If I need to message the guy, the other party, I can tell them hello. Once I can type a message here. So you can see with AnyDesk, you can make changes in other people's computers. I can say I've logged in. It tells me, "Hello, Edward. This is Grammarly." Now, if you see notification above, then click open. Yeah, I've come and logged in. I logged in it in another person's account. I'll say continue as Grammarly success. Allow always www to open the link of the sheeted app. So I think my tutorial is very educative. Ensure you finish once you finish using the any desk. Just come here and ensure you disconnect. Otherwise, you'll have given the other party access to your computer without you knowing. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you find this tutorial educative, ensure you thumbs up and subscribe. Ensure in the comment if you have any query, you leave your query there. Thank you.